Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel and also welcome to PDMS. Today I'm going to be introducing PDMS. PDMS is an abbreviation known as Plant Design Management System. It was gotten from Aveva, UK. It came out in 1974. This PDMS is a comprehensive software solution that is used in the whole wide world. It is used to design and manage industrial plants, particularly those plants in the oil and gas sectors, in the power sectors, and in process industries. Now, whenever you hear about PDMS, what comes into your mind? PDMS is unlike a simulation. That is, you are trying to simulate that design to prevent errors from those designs. So this afternoon, I'm going to be unraveling the intricacies of PDMS components. There are several components in PDMS that are used for modeling. We have the equipment and primitives. We have the standard and primitives. I'll be taking the standard and primitive. The standards are predefined components or symbols, unlike just like the valves, the pumps, the nozzles, all those elements that conforms to a project specification. Then the primitives are shapes. They are geometrical shapes like the cylinders, the cones, buses, and so on and so forth. So in terms of customization, they are basically used when standard elements doesn't fit specific needs. So in this phase now, PDMS is an EPC software, engineering, design, procurement, and construction. You are expected to write down this thing. PDMS is used for life cycle management of plants. You can use PDMS for what we call OMR, operate, maintain, and revamp. That means the entire life cycle of PDMS is managed with this system. So before we do that, let's log into the software. You go to your desktop. We have PDMS installed here. We double click, run PDMS. This PDMS comes up in a black background. So you minimize these two black background. Now come to this form. This form is the most important form because without logging into this form, you can't actually design. So we are going to log in through this form. Now this